NOKIA 7.1 and let me show you how to block a number on the following device. At the very beginning, open the phone dialer, then tap on More icon, select the settings, and here pick blocked numbers. Now you can simply tap on Add a number and enter some particular number that you would like to block. Once it's entered, just tap on Block. Since now this number will not be able to call you or text you. If you'd like to delete this number from your block list, just tap on this cross icon and confirm it by tapping on Unblock. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.